Dear SSC examinees of Nakhalpara Hussain Ali High School, welcome to my English class. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to change the complex sentence into simple sentence and compound sentence. The rule of changing complex sentence with as since when and with the same subjects in both the clauses and if there are two principal verbs in the two clauses. In this condition of changing complex sentence into simple sentence, just omit the subordinating conjunction as since when, then write the ing form of the principal verb of the subordinate clause, then use comma, then write the rest of the sentence. And in changing into compound sentence, just omit the subordinating conjunction as since when and use the coordinating conjunction and between the two clauses. For example, complex sentence: since the boy worked hard, he shone in life. Simple sentence: working hard, the boy shone in life. Compound sentence: the boy worked hard and he shone in life. Another example: when he saw me, he cried out. Simple sentence: seeing me, he cried out. Compound sentence: he saw me and he cried out. Another example: since he got the money, he became glad. Simple sentence: getting the money, he became glad. Compound sentence: he got the money and became glad. Exceptional example: complex sentence: when he arrived at home, we started eating. Simple sentence: on his arrival at home, we started eating. Compound sentence: he arrived at home and we started eating. If the subjects of the two clauses are different and if there are am, is, are, was, were, have, has, had in the first clause, the rule of changing complex sentence into simple sentence will be: omit the subordinating conjunction as since when, then write the subject, then being for am, is, are, was, were, and having for have, has, had, then write the rest of the sentence while changing into simple sentence. And in changing into compound sentence, just omit the subordinating conjunction as since when, then use the coordinating conjunction and between the two clauses. For example, complex sentence: since the water was very cold, I could not drink it. Simple sentence: the water being very cold, I could not drink it. Compound sentence: the water was very cold and I could not drink it. Another example: when the meeting was over, we went home. Simple sentence: the meeting being over, we went home. Compound sentence: the meeting was over and we went home. In case of changing complex sentence with since or as indicating the reason into simple sentence and compound sentence, just omit the subordinating conjunction since or as, and in lieu of it you have to write because of, then write the possessive case of the subject, then write the rest of the sentence. And in changing into compound sentence, just omit as or since, then use the coordinating conjunction and between the two clauses. For example, since He was small. He could not work hard. Simple sentence. Because of his being small, he could not work hard. Compound sentence. He was small and he could not work hard. Another example, complex sentence. He was loved by the villagers as he had honesty. Simple sentence. He was loved by the villagers because of his honesty. Compound sentence. He had honesty and he was loved by the villagers. The rule of changing complex sentence with when referring to an adverbial clause of time into simple sentence and compound sentence. If there is referred to a specific short period of time, the name of the season, the number of age of human being in the when clause, you can change the complex sentence into simple sentence with the help of the following rule. Omit the word when, omit the subject it and the verb after the word when, then use at or in before the short period of time or in before the name of the seasons or at the age of before the number of age of human beings, then write the rest of the sentence. For example, complex sentence, when it was evening I went out. Simple sentence, at evening I went out. Compound sentence, it was evening and I went out. Another example, complex sentence, when it is spring the cuckoo sings. Simple sentence, in spring the cuckoo sings. Compound sentence, it is spring and the cuckoo sings. Another example, complex sentence, when he was 4 he left the village. Simple sentence, at the age of 4 he left the village. Compound sentence, he was 4 and he left the village. If the when clause does not mean the time but indicates a continuous action, follow the rule below while changing into simple sentence. Omit the word when and the subject it and the verb, then write the phrase at the time of before the ing form of the verb, then write the rest of the sentence, and in case of personal subject in when clause, write the possessive case of the subject after the phrase at the time of. For example, complex sentence, when it was raining he woke up. Simple sentence, at the time of raining he woke up. Compound sentence, it was raining and he woke up. Another example, complex sentence, when they were playing it began to rain. Simple sentence, at the time of their playing it began to rain. Compound sentence, they were playing and it began to rain. The rule of changing complex sentence with so that into simple sentence and compound sentence. Dear learners, look at the structures of the three sentences. You will have noticed that in the simple sentence I have omitted so that the subject and the auxiliary verb can or could. Then I have used to. Then I have written the rest of the sentence. And in the compound sentence, just I have omitted so that, and in the place of so that I have used the coordinating conjunction and. For example, complex sentence, he worked hard so that he could shine in life. Simple sentence, he worked hard to shine in life. Compound sentence: he worked hard and he could shine in life. Another example, complex sentence: he reads more so that he can make a good result. Simple sentence: he reads more to make a good result. Compound sentence: he reads more and he can make a good result. Dear learners, you know that a lot of practice is required to become excelled in changing complex sentence into simple sentence and compound sentence and vice versa. That's why I am giving you a homework. Now transform the following sentences into simple sentence and compound sentence. Send me your answers so that I can check it. শুভ বাংলা নববর্ষ 1428. Thank you for watching my video class. Stay home, stay safe. Dear learners, you are cordially invited to watch my next video class on changing sentences.